Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the fifth video on CSS Flexbox. In this video we are going to talk about align items. So in the previous video we talked about justify content. Justify content defines the default behavior for how flex items are laid out along the main axis. Align items is going to define the default behavior for how flex items are laid out along the cross axis. It specifies align items, and by default the align items is set to stretch. So when I say align items stretch, you see that it's not going to change anything at all. I can change this to flex start, for example, and you'd see that it is going to change it to the start of the cross axis. Now it is actually picking the actual height of the items, which I have set here. They all now start at the start of the cross axis from top to bottom. If I change it to flex end, it is going to align the items at the end of the cross axis. I can change it to center like this, and this will be aligned at the center of the cross axis. It behaves like justify content, but then instead of aligning the items along the main axis, it aligns the items at the cross axis. You can combine justify content and align items to achieve whichever alignment you want. So I can also say that justify content center, which is going to center the items in the center of the main axis. I can change this one to start. Justify content is still center, but then the align items, the cross axis, is going to start from the top. That is what we call cross start. The next one I want to do is called baseline, and to be able to demonstrate what I want to show you, I will give some font sizes to these items. So I would say that item, I'm using the class name item 1, and I'll say font size is maybe 3 rem. It's going to make it bigger. I can also increase it for item 2. I need to bring the dot. Font size, let's say 4 rem. Notice that when the align items is center like this, the flex items are aligned at the center, but then this text is at the top. This one is very big somewhere here, and then this one is also here. I mean, even this one and this one is not actually aligned, but as soon as I change it to baseline, you see that all the text gets aligned horizontally, and that actually determines the alignment of the flex items also. So that is what a baseline, align items baseline actually does. So this baseline is going to align the items based on the alignment or the base alignment of the text. The flexbox items are aligned at the baseline of the cross axis first of all, and then because the flex direction is rule, it means by default the cross axis is vertical, that is from top to down, and this means that the flex items will be aligned in order to have the baseline of their text aligned along a horizontal line, right? These flex items here will be aligned based on their text, right? So based on the text which is aligned horizontally. Right. Yeah, so I mean basically that's it. That's what the baseline align items baseline means. Based on the text in the flex items, it is going to align the containers based on the text, based on the alignment of the text horizontally. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let's go straight into the next video. See you in the next video.